Hello my dears, my name is Gwen. It's been so long since I had pasta. My bestie Xiaomi loves pasta, so we met at a Yangcheng Italian restaurant. I ordered basil pesto con spaghetti and we enjoyed a lovely afternoon together. This is the Kaohsiung Main Public Library, completed in 2014. Right behind it is the 5-star Tai Urban Resort, famous for its iconic infinity pool. Each floor features a sophisticated wooden aesthetic. We first arrived at City Wind Books on the 7th floor, a very unique bookstore with open wooden bookshelves that make you feel you are walking through a modern library. Hidden in a corner is the Don't Want to Work Cafe, where lively lifestyle blends with creative coffee. Of course, I ordered a cappuccino, while Xiaomi had an iced americano. After finishing our coffee, we strolled through the bookstore, soaking up its rich library atmosphere. Good morning! The morning at Kaohsiung Harbor is so calm and peaceful. This time I'm back at Pier-2 Art Center. Since the light rail was built, this spot has taken some fresh new changes. In summer, I especially love wearing white style outfits. This time I came here for brunch a Now and Then by NYBC, a well-known New York industrial style creative cafe. I ordered my favorite steak with mashed potatoes, a side salad, an oatmeal cappuccino, and their signature fried calamari. Every bite was absolutely delicious. Since Kaohsiung is by the sea, the seafood here is incredibly fresh. The crispy fried calamari rings are so addictive. I really enjoyed this slow, peaceful breakfast time all by myself. Last time I had a New Orleans chicken and a cheese omelette with a fresh squeezed kiwi juice. Good food always makes me so happy. Pier-2 Art Center has always felt special to me in Kaohsiung. These once abandoned factories and warehouses has been transformed into creative shops and restaurants, with fun art installations and murals scattered everywhere. The streets are also well maintained, very clean and tidy. Looking out at the ocean makes my mind feel wide open too. You can also stand on the Great Harbor Bridge and enjoy the view. Many cultural and art events are held here. I found Lihao Café hidden in an alley near Pier-2. Wow, they actually had my favorite mille crêpe cake. I really miss matcha mille crêpe from Lady Anne in New York, but this time I went for hazelnut chocolate flavor instead. Luckily, this cake wasn't too sweet. I absolutely love it. I also ordered an organic unsweetened iced red oolong tea. I even found a little tea card on this cute wing line gold feature. What a lovely and unexpected afternoon tea moment. Just next to the Pier-2 Art Center in the Hamasan Railway Cultural Park, I found this super unique spot, Horli Baking. They actually transformed a retired Cijin Limited Express, which used to be the fastest train in Taiwan, into the country's only train bakery and cafe. The exterior still looks like a train, and even inside you can still feel the retro railway vibe. Their signature is the tea and the shared bread. It's such a cool mix of history, greenery, and nostalgia. I tried the chocolate coca bread with an iced lavender tea, honestly the perfect combo for this hot summer. The bread is soft and fluffy, totally different from the chilling European-style ones. Such a fun new experience to try. A romantic glasshouse restaurant, Photic Zone, nestled by the large riverside at the heart of the Love River. This is one of Kaohsiung's famous luxury drink restaurants. To start, we had a creamy truffle white mushroom soup, plus an appetizer of crispy truffle fries with Parmesan cheese, and my unsweetened iced black tea. Xiaomi's seafood squid ink pasta with garlic and olive oil. Mine is the truffle wine mushroom pasta with a soft boiled egg. The first time I came here, I thought it was absolutely delicious, so I ordered the exactly same dish again this time. Still love it. I just came out of Kaohsiung's Arena MRT station. Time to eat the traditional food I've been missing.
So I'm now in Kanshan Luxury department store. So I'm gonna be looking for my favorite restaurant in Taiwan.
Tai Fung is the most famous for its freshly made xiaolongbao with the exactly 18 delicate flours. I'm so excited and happy. This time I just ordered xiaolongbao and the signature golden pork chop fried rice. The soup inside the xiaolongbao is just too tempting. I swapped the white rice for healthier brown rice, paired with the classical Taiwanese fried pork chop, the most delicious combo ever. The weather this day was blazing hot. I arrived at Kaohsiung Cultural Center. As soon as I stepped into Caffaina Cultural Exploration Hall, I was greeted by the dazzling array of exquisite French desserts. Each cake looks like a work of art, so beautiful. But I came for brunch, so I ordered a mushroom and a fresh veggie baked omelette, plus a pot of a hot unsweetened black tea. Come join me for brunch. The ceiling here is designed to look like a stack of books, making the space feel like a cozy little library. Caffaina also has another branch in Kaohsiung near the Art Museum. The interior decor there is beautiful too. For a while, I loved spending time in this cafe, sipping coffee and enjoy the cozy atmosphere. This authentic Italian Bassoto Café is located near the cultural center. They offer a dazzling variety of croissants. I ordered my favorite, a crispy Italian hazelnut chocolate croissant, along with a plain croissant and an oatmeal cappuccino. Later, I decided to try the pistachio croissant too. I miss Milano so much. One bite feels like I'm instantly back in Italy. Then I ordered a bolognese lasagna and some Italian sparkling water. Originally, I just planned to grab breakfast and leave, but it turned into a full brunch instead. I was super happy. It was delicious and totally worth it. This time, I'm heading to Formosa Boulevard Station. Every time I pass by this station's stunning glass dome mural, I'm still blown away by how beautiful it is. It's the most beautiful MRT station in all of Taiwan. This time, I'm here to have a traditional Taiwanese breakfast. So here we are. Let's go have some Taiwanese breakfast. Lao Jiang Milk Tea is the famous 70 years old traditional breakfast shop in Kaohsiung. They also sell all kinds of traditional pastries. Of course, Taiwan's most iconic breakfast, egg pancakes, is a must. You can choose plain or other flavors. This time, I ordered the tuna and the cheese version. Unlike other breakfast places, the egg chopped with green onions and the egg pancakes are always crispy outside and soft inside. I also like their daily special, fried curry buns. They are popped up, golden and crispy, and they taste like eating a savory donut. The original shop only has the open-air seating. Here is what I ordered: tuna cheese egg pancake, ham and egg toast, curry bun, and unsweetened iced four-season tea. The egg pancake is thin, crispy, and actually pretty big. Next up, time for ham and egg toast. It's very simple: toasted bread spread with unsalted butter, a fried egg, and a slice of ham. Luckily, the weather wasn't too hot yet, so sitting outside with a gentle breeze felt nice. The chilled, unsweetened Four Seasons tea was so refreshing. Their most famous drink is actually the milk tea. And then time for the curry bun. These treats are only available at the original shop. This was actually my first time trying one. fresh and hot. The texture blew me away. At home, I usually eat my own healthy homemade breakfast, but one thing about Taiwan is the endless food options. Good morning! It's another beautiful morning. This time I came to another branch of Lao Jiang to share with you what a traditional Taiwanese brunch looks like. This is my all-time favorite, corn and cheese egg pancake, plus a crispy gold radish cake, a grilled pork and egg toast, and an unsweetened iced Four Seasons green tea. The classic Taiwanese grilled pork with a fried egg and a toasted combo is truly something you can only get in Taiwan. This crispy egg pancake has corn, cheese, and scallion all mixed together. Super tasty. This is Kaohsiung's Grand Hi-Lai Hotel, 5-star luxury above Hansen department store. The lobby is decorated in a luxurious vintage style. I'm so happy Sharon come to Kaohsiung this time. Let's do a room tour together. The hallway and the room are both elegant and refined, with a beautiful view overlooking Kaohsiung's cityscape. Tsui Garden Cantonese restaurant is on the 10th floor. Chrysanthemum tea is caffeine-free, perfect for the good night's sleep. Once again, we ordered a whole table of delicious dim sum and mango pomelo sago for dessert. Nearby is the Lihao Market, famous for its beitengui, crispy fried mochi coated in peanut sugar powder, and it was my childhood favorite. This pink castle-shaped restaurant Smokey Joe is a beloved American-Mexican eatery that has been around for 30 years and is very popular with the Kaohsiung locals. Today's outfit is a summery bohemian style. Inside, the decor is retro Mexican, full of character and charm. Since it's a weekday, it wasn't too crowded. Originally, I wanted to try their signature barbecue pork ribs, but in the end, I ordered a beef burger, queso salad, and a veggie pizza instead. My dream was an unsweetened iced black tea. Every dish was delicious. This time was really all about enjoying lunch and chatting with Xiaoming. A perfect relaxing afternoon. Shinbamae Café, this cafe near Cijin was transformed from the old Sanwan Bank building, dating back to the Japanese era. You can really feel the century-old history in its architecture, with the original heritage style blending seamlessly with the vibe of a modern cafe. Since the weather was way too hot, I just ordered an unsweetened iced peach black tea to cool off the afternoon. Before leaving, I even spotted a tourist stamp corner. Such a cute surprise. Cijin is actually a small island just off Kaohsiung, and it's one of the city's most popular tourist spots. From afar, you can see rows of colorful houses painted in bright shades. Out of curiosity, I took the ferry to Cijin before sunset to see it myself. On the way, I even chatted with an elderly local couple. They told me the houses were repainted in these vibrant colors to brighten up the old neighborhood and improve the city's look. Just 10 minutes later, here we are in Cijin. Cijin really feels so different from Kaohsiung's urban vibe. It has its lively, vacation-like atmosphere. Sitting by the ocean here, I feel so peaceful. The last time my cousin visited Kaohsiung, we went to the Cijin Beach Bar. We ordered cheesy fries and chicken tacos. Instead of alcohol, I went for the ice unsweetened green tea. So refreshing. Honestly, as a true Kaohsiung local, this kind of beach nightlife is more for tourists. As the sun set, the sky turned into this gorgeous orange glow. It almost felt like being in Hawaii. Before leaving, I couldn't resist getting a classic Taiwanese treat, spring roll ice cream. The owner sprinkled freshly ground peanut candy powder onto the wrapper, added some cilantro, and then 2 scoops of ice cream. I picked vanilla and strawberry, rubbed up with another layer of peanut powder. Oh my gosh, the flavor was so nostalgic and absolutely delicious. At night, Kaohsiung Harbor shows a completely different charm. Riding a scooter onto the ferry is a unique feature of Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung is really a food paradise. There are just too many delicious snacks and street foods that I couldn't share them all at once. Good night, sharing Taiwan's beauty with you, wherever you are in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Ciao ciao.